To move data from or to USB flash drive on the POCO C85, once you connect your USB flash drive to the phone, what you can use is the file manager. Let me actually try to find it. There we go. We have the file manager app, and this can be used in order to transfer the data. So in here, if we go to browse in here, we should be able to find our USB device, of course. So if you want to transfer something from a USB flash drive, then we want to go to USB device. Then you want to find the item that you want to transfer. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can, let's say, press and hold our finger on the file in order to select it. Of course, we can select multiple items at once. Then we want to choose move at the bottom of the screen, and you want to choose where you want to move to. So if you want to move it to the internal storage, then of course we want to choose internal storage, and then we need to choose where we want it to be saved. So let's say I'm gonna just drop it in, like, let's say music folder, for example. We're gonna tap on this check. And if it's possible to move, then of course you should be able to do so. In some cases we have some files that can't be transferred, but usually like photos and music that you actually got from somewhere, etc., this should work quite easily. Now, besides that, if you want to transfer something from the internal storage to the USB flash drive, then you can do exactly the same thing, but in the browse and the main page we can see the internal storage, so you can try to find your files. Let's see if we can also use something from these categories. So if I select it, then yes, we can still choose to move. And then let's say we'll move it to the USB storage instead. And of course, over here, we want to choose where we want to save it. So let's say I'm just going to save it in here on the main page. I mean, on the main catalog. And if I go over here, now as you can see, I do have the file. And this time, if I try to move it to the internal storage, it should work as well without any issues. There we go. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.